Check one, two. Hey, how you doing? This is Jerry, Mr. Jerry at Williamsus1969. I want everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. My wife, she's been doing great and excellent on her shorts and her videos and stuff like that. But this is Stock Research Sunday. This is the last week. This is the last week to research stocks for 2024, and I appreciate everyone that's joining this channel, everyone that's looking at this video. I just want to say I appreciate you, the ones that have subscribed to the channel and the ones that are going to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. We appreciate you guys when you comment and you like and you subscribe to all of our content. So yeah. This is Stock Research Sundays that I do every Sunday. I research stocks and I look up things and I try to present them to you. But yeah, I'm glad everyone is here. You might see me look away because I have notes and stuff like that, kind of scattered around here and there. But remember, this is the last research stock Sunday for 2024. How you think you did? How do you think you did for 2024? Do you think that you did excellent as far as your investing and trading and researching and buying stock? Did you do good or did you do bad? So, take that in consideration. Maybe write down some stuff. Hey, I didn't trade, or I didn't do an investment, or I did some investments and I made bank. I did some investments and I did okay. And I made some investments or I made some trainings and I did horrible. So, this is the new year is coming. We only got like I think 1 or 2 trading days for 2024. So, like I said, I always do the research Sundays as far as looking up stocks, looking up companies to look into, um, key points that I give people and golden nuggets, as my professor used to say. So yeah, but guess what? As far as 2024, we only got a few days, but guess what? 2025 is on its way. And with 2025 brings new situations, new companies, um, new a new cabinet is coming in from Donald Trump. He got reelected as president, and new ideals. Um, yeah, everything is going to be new for 2025. So, like I said, I really appreciate everyone coming in and joining and looking at my wife's videos, looking at some of my videos at times, and we're getting ready for 2025 as far as researching, as far as investing, because I want everyone that has not researched, that has not invested, that has not started to open up a trading account or an investing account. I want you to do it for 2025. You guys can do it. I know you can do it. It's a great thing to take your money and make more money. Okay, take your money to make more money. So yeah, let's get it. Let's get it going. I'm excited as far as people that want to invest. Um, and if you're young and you want to invest and you want to have a custodial account, you can ask your parents to open up a custodial account for you, and you can start investing with your piggy bank, maybe your lunch money, or not your lunch money, but any kind of money that you guys get. But like I said, what's your trading? What was your trading like for 2024? And now look into what you want your trading to look like for 2025. Do you want your trading to look excellent for 2025? Do you want it to just be good, or do you want it to be terrible? We all don't want anything terrible to happen to with our trading and our investing and stuff like that. But be encouraged to make your trading and your investing an excellent part of your portfolio and part of your financial goals. So yeah, yep, we're getting ready for 2025, and I really appreciate you guys again coming in, like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and yeah, we are getting ready for 2025. 2025 is going to be the best. We're gonna speak it. I'm going to speak that into your existence, and you're going to speak it into your existence too. 2025 is going to be the best trading opportunities, the best investment opportunities, the best everything is fine as far as financial. I want your financial portfolio to rise up, rise up, rise up. and it's for your family. It's for you and it's for your family. So yeah, but my key points, what I want to kind of discuss today. This video is going to be not going to be long. It's going to be to the point. But my key points, like I said, I'm going to read a couple of my notes that I do have. Um, for 2025 that's coming in, it's still the new age for artificial intelligence. Um, and they're still, they're still kind of doing research and development. They've been doing it for years, but now AI is getting more common, is getting more into bigger businesses to present to you. So I think 2025 is still in its new age. I'm not going to say infancy because the infancy was like years ago. They were talking about art. Matter of fact, I think still Steven Spielberg made a movie called Artificial Intelligence, and that was back in I think either 2000 or something like that, or 2001. But yeah, they've been talking about artificial intelligence for years, but now it's coming to the forefront, and now it's being implemented in a lot of things that we do, a lot of applications that's going on. A lot of companies are getting into artificial intelligence. So I think, I'm not and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy and sell stuff. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and this is just for my research. I can, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you some points and some pointers. So yeah, like I said, my first key point was this new age. It's still a new age for AI, and the markets um, are looking into more of the AI platforms and the AI landscape. Um, Most of the major companies, you got Google, Microsoft. And Nvidia, Apple, all the major companies are looking into AI now because AI is just the future. It's the future. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of things that's gonna be done with AI, jobs, creation of jobs, um, um, the speed of job, the quantity of work being done, the quality of work being done is gonna be performed a lot by AI. So that's one of my key points. Uh, and the markets, I say, this is another key point. I say the markets are going to be a little volatile as far as when Trump gets into office, because a lot of companies really don't know what he's really going to do with those tariffs. Um, a lot of people, the last his last administration, I made some money. I made some money. A lot of people said that they made a lot of money when Trump was in office. So yeah, be prepared for the markets to be, going up real fast, or maybe shooting down a little bit fast, or going up, correction, going up, correction, going up. So yeah, so I think it's gonna be a little volatile because a lot of people and a lot of companies really don't know. Trump might say this one day, and then he might be like, I don't want to do it like that. Or he might say something, and he might go through, gung ho, commando, and be like, no, I'm going to do this tariff, and I'm going to charge China, 25% tariff tax, and then 10 more percent. So we don't know yet, but yeah, just be prepared for the markets to be volatile. But remember, um, the markets, they go up, they go down, they go sideways. You know, that's the nature of the beast. That's the nature of the market. And yeah, just be prepared for it. So January 20th is it's just like it's like 22 days away, 23 days away. So yeah, let's just be prepared. So, and another point is get into the market. I always stress that every Sunday that I speak about stock market research Sundays. Get into the market. Get into some trades. Get into some companies. Um, you want to own some companies. You want to own if you own some stock options on the companies. Don't spend all your money on the companies. Like Nike for example. I'm just giving you a nugget. Um, I seen a video of a teenager. He asked his mom for some Nikes. His mom said, I'm not going to buy you any Nikes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy you some stock options for Nikes. And what she did for a whole year, she just bought him stock options for Nike, for the company Nike. And within that year, and I think if I'm correct, she taught him a little bit too on how to buy options. Within that year, he made $50,000, or I should say, she made $50,000 on just buying those stock options. And I think she probably invested maybe 1,000, maybe or maybe 2,000. But the point of the matter is, instead of us always being consumers, always spending our money on these companies and then complaining when we don't have money, let's invest in these companies. Okay, so that's why I always stress. That's another key point for this last research stock Sunday for 2024. I always stress that get into investing, get into trading, get into buying and selling equities. When I say equities, that's just companies and stuff like that. Options on companies. You can buy options on gold and everything. The forex. Um, and Bitcoin and digital currency and stuff like that. So yeah, get into the markets. Get into the markets because you want to have your money work for you, not you always working for your money. Okay, so that's another key point I want to make. So I'm gonna have my last key point at the last end of this video, um, but I'm gonna go through some. Uh, some more of the body of this this introduction and this video today. Okay, and I apologize if I'm being just a little hesitant and stuff like that because I want to make sure I say the right thing to you. I want to make sure I say the right thing to you at the right time, in the right place. So, like I said, this is the last few days for the trading for 2024, and like I said with my key points, a lot of companies are getting into AI right now. So I'm going to read a couple of uh, AI things that like some companies are doing. No, so you got Google. Google has a Gemini like AI bot that they have built, and if I'm correct, I think they're doing beta testing or they're telling people to sign up and stuff like that. So Google is getting into it, um, and they have Gemini. Apple has the Blackwell AI um, platform or implementation or processor that they're getting into. Uh, Amazon and Meta they're buying a lot of the NVIDIA AI chips. They're buying as much as NVIDIA is pumping out the chips. Um, Amazon and Meta, they're buying up the chips like crazy because AI is the future. AI is just like it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be uh, like mother necessity. Mother necessity was like, I'm tired of washing clothes. I'm tired of hand wash. My family is from the South. My dad's side and my mom's side is from New York. But back in the days, they used to have washboards, and you used to have to wash clothes with washboards. But with mother necessity, somebody said, "Hey, let's take a thing and put it in the middle of a machine and let's spin the machine and let the clothes get washed like that automatically." So that's the inventions are by the necessity of mother necessity basically. So yeah, and I think like I said, AI uh, is going to be a perfect way for a lot of people, a lot of companies, a lot of side companies, a lot of big companies to make more money. And AI is the future. AI is the frontier, is the wild frontier that we are going to get into. Um, Let me see. AMD, AMD is a competition of NVIDIA, and they're making their chips. You know, they have the MI300X line of chips, and it's through the Gaudi 3 processor. So yeah, yeah. A lot of companies they're getting into AI. So try your best to research. If you need me to help you research some companies, or if you, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share, DM me if you say, hey, I really want to start investing, but I don't know where to start at. DM me, and I'll take you step by step. Um, so AI will be like the internet was in 2000. It was new, it was fresh, it was innovating, and it was like unlimited potential. And I say AI in the 2000s because AI was like still in this walking stage as far as I'm sorry, the internet was in its walking stages in the year 2000, and within 24 years, because this is the year 2024, the internet has been so powerful. It's made a lot of people rich. It's made um, a lot of people money. It's helped families. It's helped um, companies. It's helped, I mean, a numerous amount of people as far as the internet. We wouldn't have the half of the things that we have without the internet. I mean, you got um, how cities perform a lot of tasks now, their lights, their cameras, um, Google Maps is essential with the internet. And like I said, AI is going to be the next step as far as the internet is concerned. So I think AI is just like how the internet was back in 2000, and we're gonna see within 10 or 15 years with AI that you can make a lot of money um, with your companies and with the big businesses. They're gonna start making a lot of money. So the internet changed a lot of things, and AI is gonna change a lot of things. Um, so and my second key point that I want to stress about, I had mentioned that if he goes through with the tariffs, or if he doesn't go through with the tariffs, I think it's going to be a win-win situation. Okay, and what I'm saying is, as far as Trump going through and maybe not going through with the tariffs. I'm saying if he goes through with the tariffs, if he goes through with the tariffs, a lot of the companies and the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, it's not going to take a nosedive, but it might go into a correction. And if it goes into a correction, and when I say it's a win situation, that's when a lot of stocks go on like a fire sale. Um, and what I said before about fire sales is it's like you go into your favorite department store and you know two I say 2 weeks ago or maybe a month ago your favorite sweaters were uh, maybe $30 and now those sweaters are like $10. You get what I'm saying? And you be like, you know what, man, I'm gonna buy these sweaters for $10 because I can buy them and it still might be cold because the sweaters that are $10 that are $30 in January, they might be like, you know what, we're gonna get rid of these sweaters in February and we're gonna sell them for $10. But you buy them for $10 and you make a good purchase because those sweaters were $30 and now they're down at $10. And you never know. You might be a person that say, I can use these sweaters next year. So yeah, I'm I'm saying as far as Trump when he gets into office, and you never know with Trump sometimes. Sometimes he might say something. Again, he might say something and be like, nah, and then he might backtrack and be like, nah, I might not do it. And then he might, like I said before, he might be gung ho. No, I'm going to go through these tariffs. Now, if he doesn't go through the tariffs, the stock, the market's going to go up. Either way, the market, you're going to make some money in the markets. So um, just position yourself position yourself to want to get into the markets. Position yourself to say, um, I want to learn how to buy, sell, and trade stocks. That's what I'm here for. And position yourself to say, I'm going to get into this company right now. They got good financials. They got good. Their balance sheets looks excellent, even though the markets might be down, but their balance sheet might be excellent. And that's a good time to get into some buys. So yeah. And my last key point for 2024 is the stock market is not going anywhere at all. Don't be afraid. Oh, the markets might go down. The markets are not going anywhere. From the 1929 crash, okay, the 1987 crash, okay, and you had the dot-com bubble in 2000. Okay, and then you got the 2008 housing market crisis. Okay, so the market is there, it's not going anywhere. Don't be afraid of the stock market. Don't be afraid of Wall Street. Don't be afraid to take your money and tell this company, hey, I trust you. I invest, I'm putting my investment in you, and I'm expecting a return. So yeah, don't be afraid of the markets. Don't be afraid to start to invest. And like I said, this video was going to be short and to the point. And like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with each and every person. Um, we're going to get some more applications so I can screenshot and I can do screen share where I can show you some more things that I'm looking at. And matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna do this real quick. I think I'll still be on video, so I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can share. No, I can't share on this yet. But um, I looked at some of my stocks I had mentioned a few weeks ago. Uh, ExxonMobil, LMT. That's the Lockheed Martin group. And I know Under Armour has been kind of down in the dumps, but I still have to research Under Armour and see how they did during this Christmas. And don't forget, don't forget that we are in the Santa Claus effect. They call it the Santa Claus effect, and that's the last 7 trading days of the year. Last week started, if I'm correct, it started the day before Christmas Eve, and then it's going to continue from there. The markets wasn't open Christmas Day, and then the last 2 trading days are tomorrow and Tuesday. And Wednesday, if I'm correct, let me look at this calendar. And Wednesday is the first, and I think, yep, Wednesday is the first. So the markets are closed Wednesday. So yeah, we're still in the Santa Claus effect, and I think it's a it's a good time to buy some of these stocks that are down in the dumps right now. It's um, a lot of because I follow some guys, I follow some of the trading guys and the investment guys, and they say, hey, back the truck up, back the truck up. It's I think that's Chris saying, but yeah, 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 it's time to load up and get some of these stocks. Okay, so I say God bless you. I pray that everyone will take their money and invest their money to make more money in the year 2025. All right, peace and blessings and shalom. All right, thank you.